Today there is no much talk. I'm going to be unboxing my brand new iPhone 11. Hey, my name is Busola of Oradugba. In case you are new here, please subscribe down below and let's get right into today's video. So my package came looking like this. I got my brand new iPhone 11 from Addis Gadget. One of the things I like about the guy is the fact that he's very patient and he's very straightforward. So the day I went to get the phone, he was willing to attend to all of my strange questions. I cannot come and lose my money in this Lagos. Hi people. So guys, I'm going to be showing you some important things you need to look out for before you make payment for your iPhone. Any of the iPhone, even if it's iPhone 5. iPhone 5. Guys, so I've decided to do voice note at this point. So all you need to do is to get your serial number, and yes, before you make payment you need to do this. It is very, very important. Get the serial number of the phone and then visit iUnlocker on your browser, and then type out your serial number so that you can see when your phone was activated. So I got mine on the 5th of September, which you're going to see right now on the screen. Yes, so this simply helps you to know the status of the phone you are buying. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye loves.